before you clicked on this video, something made you click on this video. It's either what you saw or what you actually read, which is the title. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you 10 different small businesses you can actually kickstart today. 10 small businesses you can kickstart today as an individual. The thing is that a lot of people actually are looking for different methods to actually make money both online and offline. And one of the most important thing that is lacking is the information or where to get the information. So in this video, I'm going to give you some ideas that you can actually use to start up some businesses for yourself. If you're seeing me for the first time, you'll come to my YouTube channel. Right here, I share different updates on how to earn money online and offline, and I share different online earning opportunities right here. Now, if you want to get more information from my channel, you want to get more update from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and for more updates coming your way. Now, before I go further, let me take some time and appreciate the members of this community, all the members, the current ones, and all the ones that have backslided. I really appreciate you. It's because of you that this channel is actually growing. And if you're not yet a member and you feel like joining this community or supporting my effort, well, do well to join. Just click on the join button you're seeing right there and join my community. I really appreciate that. All right, let's dive right in. So it's important for you to know that this list is based on my own perspective and this is my own personal list. The first small business you can actually start up right now as an individual is called remote work solutions. Remote work solution. Now, based on the name, you might already know what it's all about. Let me throw a little light on that. There are a lot of different team of people, or there are a lot of individuals that are working online remotely. These individuals are actually looking for conducive environment for them to actually work. Some of them don't like working at home, maybe because they have children, or maybe based on the compound they are staying, based on their environment or something. So they are looking for quiet places to work, places that electricity will be on, the network, the Wi-Fi network will be active, and the environment will be calm and quiet enough for them to work. So if you can actually provide this service and for remote workers, you can actually get paid for that. If you like that one, just type remote in the comment section. Let's move on. All right, the second business idea I want to share with you guys, this is a common one, but most people don't know that there's a lot of money involved in it. It's called solar installation. Solar installation. I have some solar panels. In fact, all this setup that I'm using right now is being powered by a solar panel. Now, before I actually install that solar panel, I know how much it costs me for me to actually install that solar panel. If you can become a solar installer, you install solar for consumers, for individuals, you can actually get paid for that. You understand? Yes, you can earn a lot of money with solar installation. That's the second business idea you can actually kickstart today as an individual that is actually looking for something to start up and earn some money. But as you know, there are a lot of downsides and upsides for each and every business on planet Earth. If you like this particular idea, just type solar in the comment section. Let's move on. The third business idea you can actually kickstart today is called digital detox coaching. Digital detox coaching. Now, what is digital detox coaching? Whether you like it or not, technology is good, but sometimes it affects us mentally and physically. Now, if you become a digital detox coach, you can actually inform organizations and individuals on the healthier ways of using technology. This is another business idea you can actually start up today. The fourth small business you can start today is called urban farming. Urban farming is farming, but not in the traditional method. For example, rooftop farming, rooftop garden, small backyard garden, all those stuff. Farming in an environment where there are a lot of people and you cannot find traditional farming around. That is just urban farming in layman language, you understand? So if you can start up urban farming right here and make it the right way, people are making good money with urban farming the right way, getting fresh fruit and fresh root for day-to-day life. You understand? You can actually make money with this set of business. It's a very good thing to start today. You understand? So tell me if this is actually a good idea for you. Just type in urban in the comment section. Let's move on. So the next small business you can actually start up right now is called Eco-Friendly Renovation. Eco-Friendly Renovation, or you can call it green renovation. This is a business model where you offer a service to people for renovating their houses in a method where it does not impact the environment negatively. For example, you put appliances that are removable and makes it easier so that in case anything happens, it's easily changed without impacting the people in the environment. You understand? That is called eco-friendly renovation. So the next business model, you can start this one today is called senior care services. Senior care services. Now, this is the ability of you providing care to our senior citizens in the society in exchange for cash. For example, our fast growing adults, you understand, can actually create a senior center and you take care of them either from home to home as an individual, or you can actually create an organization. This is another business model you can actually start up today, you understand. The next business you can start today is for you to become a personalized nutrition. Now, this actually means that you can actually create different meals, different diets for people, and you can actually get paid for your service. For example, there are a lot of coaches on Instagram. There are a lot of fitness coach on Instagram that offer this particular service right here. And at the end of the day, they actually get paid for their service. That is another business model you can actually start up today as an individual that is actually looking for something to start up. You understand? So the next business idea you can actually start up right now is called pet subscription boxes. Now, I learned that only in America they have over $157 billion pet industry just in America alone. 157 billion. So you can actually tap into this particular opportunity by actually offering people services for their pets, take care of people's pets, and you can actually get paid for your service. This is actually a good business model to start. You know, if you actually find this interesting, just type in pet in the comment section. Let's move on. You do realize that there are a lot of individuals that are actually about to do an event that are actually looking for this particular service. Now, this one is called drone services. Drone services. Now, this is the ability of you getting your own drone, fly it very, very well. Now, you use your drone to capture high resolution drone images, drone photos, drone videos, and people can pay you for this service. People can say, okay, come and cover this my event with your drone. You can use your drone to actually take up some nice pictures, crazy pictures, good videos. You can actually make money for this particular service, but you need to get a drone and you actually need to learn how to fly a drone. So let me know in the comment section if this actually worth your time. All right, so the next business model that I want to share with you today is called financial literacy coaching. Yes, financial literacy coaching. And back here in Nigeria, we have our number one financial coach, Gege.
Fear, I pour you spit. I pour spit for your face.
But you can become a financial coach and coach people about their finances online on your page. People can actually book sessions with you. They pay you to actually coach them. Tell me the one you're going to use in the comment section. What do you think about this business model from number 1 to number 10? Just let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you're using that is actually working out for you and I have not mentioned it and you think people should know about it, just let other people know in the comment section.